Well, just a really quick video. I have a Kirby Heritage 2 1985 brush roller, as I like to call it. So, this thing is not sealed ball bearings. Basically, it just has bronze bushes. And that's what you get. So if we turn it around, this thing's had nearly no use. Like look at where the belt's been running. Like you can see it's had almost no use. It's on its original belt. So if you pull the screw out, I can't do this with... Yes, I can do it with one hand. If you pull the screw out, you're left with basically that. And I had to lever it off the first time, but so I leave it against the cap here, but what I've been able to do is to just straighten it out and then get the burr off. But basically, once you do that, now there's supposed to be a shim here. On the other end, there's like a thrust washer, but there's never been one on this end. I don't know why. I mean, maybe Kirby were having an off day that day or something. But anyway, regardless, then you can pull the thing apart and put some oil in it. The intention is to replace this brush roll, but, well, look, until I am able to get one, this is definitely an acceptable alternative. So, you can see, you can't see on camera, if I'd hold the damn thing still, but in real life, if you hold it on a certain angle, you can actually see where the, there's a couple of different markings on this. So if we pull this, you can see the Kirby logo there, and you can sort of match it up with this end. You can work out which way this should go. Now, I don't know. This is a symmetrical part, but that being said, I've no interest in proving that it is symmetrical. So basically, it goes together. And the hole in the end of the shaft, which I hope I showed, I think I did. So the hole in the end of this shaft, if I can turn it around easily, which I can't, that's what locates everything. So just make sure you got your Kirby logo lined up. I don't know how much that matters, but and put it back together. I mean, the end result basically is there's nothing wrong with it. I mean, it should have a shim washer. I don't know. So that explains why one end of this, like this end was really full of hair, like it was packed. But I'm going to screw it back together and see what the Kirby does. But I didn't take out the other end, and the reason why is because this is an adjustment, and I would really like to not have to guess or play around with it. So I'm just going to, basically I'm just going to measure what's sticking out either side, and if I can hold the camera still. And that's going to be my reference. I'm just going to set it up exactly the same. The bristles are barely worn. So yeah, I don't know if oil was the right thing. Maybe grease is a better idea, but I put oil on it. I'm eventually going to get a bearing, as in a ball bearing, sealed ball bearing Kirby roller, which is what the new ones are. So just something interesting. I got more videos to follow of this machine, just not right now.